Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear brother and sister, welcome to my channel. I want to teach you Holy Qur'an. Today is our first day. Today we will learn Arabic letter. There are 29 Arabic letter. First I say, then you try to say. My dear brother and sister, let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف ألف با با تا ta tha tha. This is a soft letter. You can say like that. Tha tha. Jim jim. Ha ha. This letter come middle of the throat like that. Ha. Kha. You cannot say kha. This letter pronounce is kha. Kha kha, not kha. Kha. Dal dal dal. Dal is soft letter like tha. Dal. Ra. Ra is heavy letter. Ra. Za. Za. Sin. Sin. Sheen. Sheen. Sad. Sad. Dad. Dad. Ta. Ta. Zwa. Za. Twa. Za. Ain. This letter come middle of the throat like that. Ain. Not ain. You can't say ain. You say ain. Let's try to again. Ain. It's come middle of the throat like ha. Both letter come middle of the throat. Ha. Ain. Gain. You can't say gain. Many of us say gain. It's not correct. Gain is correct. Gain. Gain. ফা ফা কফ কফ কাফ কাফ লাম লাম মিম মিম নুন নুন ওয়াও wow. When you reading wow, you should make circle of your lips like that. Wow, wow. Ha, ha. Hamza, hamza. Ya, ya. Both letter name is ya. This letter name is ya and also this letter name is ya. Both is ya. Ya, ya. My dear brother and sister, watch this video over and over as much as you need. Inshallah, then you will be able to learn this letter properly. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. May Allah bless you all, inshallah. Today I am saying goodbye here. Inshallah, we will meet once again on next video. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.